Well, with that, let's quickly dive straight into a conversation with REC. The numbers came out yesterday, and the loan growth has come in slightly below the FY25 guidance that the company had put out. AUM growth is also at a 7-quarter low. It's not bad, but I mean, just historically speaking, it's come down a little bit. We have the company's management with us, the chairman and MD, Mr. Vivek Kumar Dewangan, joining in for a couple of questions. So that question first, I mean, this loan growth, the market's expectation is slightly higher, because you've been guiding for higher numbers. What is the outlook ahead?
Our loan book has grown by 14% in Q3. Now stands at 5,65,000 crore as compared to 31st December 2023 level, that was 4,97,000 crore. This quarter, actually, some prepayment and had happened and some recovery happened. But you might have noticed that our disbursement was the highest ever. We disbursed about 54,692 crore in Q3. We hope that in Q4 our disbursement will increase substantially and or will be able to achieve growth of loan to about 15 to 17% in Q4.
All right, sir, let's focus on the non-power vertical. Which segment do you see growth out there? You are exploring opportunities in the international transmission projects as well. Give us some thoughts out there.
Actually, our growth is coming basically from traditional, conventional transmission, distribution and generation and renewable energy projects. Actually, our hands are full with the proposals from power sector and renewable energy sector. That's why we are going slow on non-power infrastructure logistics. We are targeting only those non-power infrastructure logistic projects where revenue cash flow is ensured, which will be able to meet our repayment obligation, where the entity is good, where the asset quality is good. So, we are a bit choosy. So far, we have sanctioned about 40,000 crore for non-power infrastructure logistics. We are targeting a road sector HAM project. We are targeting ports. We are targeting airports, where revenue cash flow should be sufficient to meet our repayment obligation. Otherwise, there's sufficient number of projects are there from conventional generation, like coal-based power plants are coming up. Now, in the budget announcement, nuclear power has also been added. 100 gigawatt capacity of nuclear power capacity has to be added by the year 2047. So there is tremendous growth opportunity available for financing renewable non-fossil fuel sources, including nuclear power plants.
No, absolutely. What's the guidance on margins and spreads going forward, sir?
Yeah, in fact, in the first 9 months, my spread has improved by 12 BPS from 2.8% to 2.94%. Net interest margin has also increased by 12 BPS. It has increased from 3.52% to 3.64%. By the end of this financial year, we'll be able to hold on to net interest margin of about 3.65 to 3.7%, and spread would be around 2.95%.
All right, so we'll leave it on that note for this morning. Quick conversation, but thanks very much for sharing the outlook with us.